The Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos has praised goalkeeper Ronwen Williams following his nomination for the prestigious Ballon d'Or award. The Mamelodi Sundowns shot-stopper finds himself among the top 10 goalkeepers in the world, alongside notable names such as Argentina's Emiliano Martinez and Real Madrid's Andre Lunin. All are competing for the Yashin Trophy, which will be awarded in Paris on October 28. Broos expressed pride in Williams' recognition, especially after his standout performances for the national team at the Africa Cup of Nations in Ivory Coast earlier this year. Broos spoke to the media and said, "It's something that I'm very proud of. When one of your players is nominated for the Ballon d'Or, it's a huge achievement. But when you look at Ronwen's performances, not just for Sundowns, but especially for Bafana Bafana, particularly during the latest AFCON, it's clear he deserves it." He also added that I took a look at who else is on the list. For me, Ronwen has a chance to win it, but sometimes when it comes to these kinds of awards, they tend to favor bigger names. Regardless, based on his performances, I believe he's more than deserving of the recognition, and that makes me proud. Despite this accolade, Williams will be absent when Bafana Bafana faces South Sudan in their upcoming AFCON qualifier on Tuesday as he continues to recover from an injury. In his absence, AmaZulu's Veli Motwa started in goal during the team's recent 2-2 draw against Uganda at Orlando Stadium last Friday. However, Motwa had a difficult match with a crucial mistake leading to Uganda's second goal. His error sparked criticism from fans on social media, many calling for him to be replaced for the next game against Sudan. Despite the backlash, Hugo stood by his decision and said it's easy to say in hindsight that you should have done something differently, refusing to concede that selecting Motwa was a mistake. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.